Hello and welcome back to All Things Defender. Today I have some polish. It's a Menzerna, something like that anyway, a one-step polish. It's got T-cut in it, so something like T-cut and wax. It's supposed to be all in one. So we're going to try it, see what happens. I've got an Orbital Polisher and I'm going to try it, first of all on this wing here, which hopefully you can appreciate. It is really dull. It's probably not been washed or polished for many years. So we're just going to put it directly onto the surface here and see what happens, see how well it actually polishes it up. So first of all, I'm just going to wipe it off with a clean rag. It is fairly clean, although not polished at all. Just get the loose dust off it. All these are just marks in the paint. There's no actual loose sand or dirt on it. So we'll just put the polish straight on there, see what it will come up like, see if this stuff is any good. So here we go, nice big dollop of the polish, straight onto the surface. And then with the Orbital Polisher, just going to polish it. See how long it takes, see if it actually cleans up at all or not. Well, let's have a look. That's literally, as long as you've just seen me doing it there, it actually looks like it's actually come up fairly well. It's unbelievable. That is really good. It probably doesn't do it much justice, but that is really shiny. Literally 30 seconds, not much effort at all, and that is really good. Let me do some more and I'll video some more. All right, here's going to be a major test. It looks like this door may have even been replaced at some stage. Doesn't appear to be the same colour, but I've just buffed this side up. That side, as you can see, doesn't look the same at all. Let's see what it'll do. Well, look at that. Would you believe it? That is what I've just done. It doesn't even look like the same door. It has shown a load of paint coming off at the bottom there. Obviously a rusty door, that needs sorting out. But really, that is the same colour. You can see as I come across it, well, I've not done it, that I haven't just gone and painted it or replaced the door. There it was. And that's it, just with the polish. Amazing stuff. It's actually getting a bit dark in here now, but progressing well. It's night and day. So good, this stuff. Just got the back bits there. I'll probably take it outside another day. So I've only spent about an hour on it so far and done most of the front. But there's going to be bits I've missed, I'm sure. I'll get it outside in the sunlight and we'll have another look another day. But at the moment, so impressive with this stuff. You can see though, it's just shining. Anyway, I'm going to end the video there. Big thumbs up for this stuff. Definitely recommend it. As I said before, there it is. One-step polish. Probably get it on Amazon. I'll try and find a link, stick it in the bottom if I can. Yeah, Santa bought this for me. So not entirely sure how much it cost or where it came from. But thank you, Santa. Anyway, as I said, leave this one here. Please like, follow, and I'll see you on the next one.